Hello, this is Jeff with Regal Nissan Collision Center. We're a certified Nissan, certified Infinity Repair Center. We understand that accidents happen to even the best drivers. Whether you have major accident damage to your car or just minor dents and dings, we're here to help. Even though we are a certified Nissan, certified Infinity Repair Center, we repair all makes and models of vehicles. We're here to make the process as easy and simple as possible. We offer free estimates, and we work with all major insurance companies. If you need photographs taken and an estimate written, we'll be glad to assist the insurance company and get those sent over for you. Once your vehicle is completed with the collision repair, then we'll take the vehicle to our detail department for detailing, clean, and sanitize your vehicle. We do offer a no-touch delivery system. Here at Regal Nissan Collision Center, we hope you don't need us, but we're here if you do. We look forward to seeing you soon.